swimming pool in Thailand is pretty simple and super low cost, but it's the maintenance. You've got to be on it, top it every day, and lots and lots of bugs and small frogs go in the water. Also, you've got to top it up with water. So there's a lot involved in it. It's not just dig a hole and put water in it, including that. Maintenance is quite high, and electric as well is high for the pool. Maybe over 1,000 baht a month for electric. Then the pumps, if they break down, near 10,000 for the pumps. We've replaced one, which isn't too bad, I suppose, but the pool is really good for customers like to go in the pool. So for rentals it's good, but for home use it's a wee bit expensive to look after it. It's a novelty at first. My family used it every day, and then after that the novelty wears off and they didn't use it. I think my daughter goes in it maybe once a month if you're lucky, but before she was in it every day. And when you build the pool, that's the pump house. The pump house is inside here. Then I put included 2 toilets. So I put 2 toilets as well, and a wash hand basin, and a shower here as well. Shower. So what you get is you get 2 toilets, you get a shower, and at the back of the shower you get a kitchen. So you've got a separate kitchen at the back. So that's it. The pump house, the shower, the kitchen all comes as one unit. So you can have that as well at the back of your pool. So quite good, and it's not a large building. It's only, I don't know the size of it, maybe 15 feet or something for the building, and by about 10 feet, 15 by 10. Okay. But definitely, I mean, I wouldn't say didn't have a pool. It's just the fact that if you're not living in Thailand and you expect Thai people to look after it, then it's not that easy. And you've got to clean it. I would say maybe 2 times a week. When it's raining, then the algae comes in. You've got to really be cleaning it quite a lot. And chemicals, 1,000 or more to buy the chemicals to clean the pool. So, and then once you put the chemical in, the bottom of the pool goes really, really dirty. You'll see it's like black lines go along the bottom. So that's because the chemical grabs all the impurities out of the water and it sinks to the bottom. So today I'll have to reverse the pump and then take out all that dirt. So the joys of owning a swimming pool, it's like it's your choice, you know. Do you want to do it? If you do, I think maybe that one's about 320,000 when I built it. But I think then the toilets, you've got the toilets as well, and the pump house maybe another 30,000. But all in all, once you've set it all up, it's nice, eh? But a swimming pool, and at the back you'll see a small 1-bedroom villa. That rents for 500 baht a day. So then you'd have 150,000 back income on one villa. So if you had 3 or 4 nice wee villas round the pool, then you kept a wee place for yourself to stay. I think it would be, you'd make money, and you could have a nice place to live and income with a pool. I live at the pool, so I'm alright. I'm staying here. I'm in a 4-bedroom house, so for me I'm alright, because I make income every day. Then this is my side. This is my house on this side of the pool, so I'm easy happy. Hello Levi. Levi, do you like the pool? No? Okay. Okay. I'll go now and get some other jobs done. So that's having a swimming pool in Thailand. Is it a good idea? Up to you.